Meanwhile, back in D.C., the U.S. Supreme Court justices beginning their new term this week. They have a new justice on the bench, Miami's Ketanji Brown Jackson, and major cases on the docket. Reporter Lydia Delgado from our D.C. bureau is in Washington this morning.
The conservative majority, with 4 women justices, including Ketanji Brown Jackson, the first black woman to serve on the court, will decide on cases with major implications for education, voting rights, and LGBTQ+ rights. One of the most closely watched cases, scheduled for October 31st, will be challenges to affirmative action brought by conservative group Students for Fair Admissions. They're arguing against the consideration of race in admission decisions at Harvard University and the University of North Carolina, which could cause a ripple effect across colleges and universities in the country.
I'm pretty aware, not only from the Latin American perspective, but also as an Hispanic immigrant to the United States, the disadvantages that we have. We have a sector of the population that have been discriminated against for so long. It is our social responsibility to advocate for them and to give equal opportunities.
Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has made his stance on education clear. His Stop Woke Act, which sets limits on how race-related issues in schools and in the workplace are taught, regards affirmative action as an inappropriate means to readdress historical discrimination.
Talking about them as not only just limiting on freedom of speech, but also our capability to learn and understand society as it truly is, instead of sugarcoating it. I am 100% for affirmative action. I think that the main reason it even exists is because there are disparities in society.
As of right now, the court is set to hear 36 arguments and is open to the public for the first time since 2020. The next issue to tackle will be LGBTQ+ rights. There has been work done in Florida by the Ron DeSantis legislation to eliminate LGBTQ+ protection from K-12 education. I'm Lydia Delgado in Washington, D.C. for the South Florida Media Network.